Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I will be reviewing a conditioner. It's called the Renewing Argan Oil of Morocco conditioner. It is from the OGX brand. It is supposed to be sulfate free and you can see the list of ingredients here. Now it says that has a unique precious blend with argan oil of Morocco, which helps penetrate the hair shaft, discover newly restored strength, shine, softness, and seductive silky perfection. I What I hate about this bottle and packaging is it is very difficult to get the conditioner out of the bottle. You can see that the conditioner is really thick and creamy. It is definitely not something that is like flowy. It could be a little bit of a struggle to get the conditioner out of the bottle, but I think that should not be a worrisome job if the product is really amazing. Now let's get to the product. So this is supposed to be sulfate free and surfactants free, so which is great. I look for hair products which are free of sulfate. I have used argan oil as part of my hair care for a while, so definitely trying a conditioner made of argan oil was something on top of my list. Now a little bit about my hair. I have a long wavy hair. I do not use any chemical treatments on my hair, so it's pretty basic in terms of like the playground that you have to deal with when it comes to hair products. I would say I have like medium thickness hair, not too fine, not too thick, and like I said, wavy hair. So I have used this conditioner for over 2 months now. There are a few things I like about this conditioner and a few I did not like. So the good part is it does help my hair shaft soften up, so you can feel the softness in the hair when you touch the hair after using this conditioner. And The softness is really long lasting, so it does not really go away that quickly. I did not find this conditioner to be greasy or sticky, which is great because if there are oil based conditioners, and specifically if they are like, the main ingredient of the conditioner, usually the downside is them making the hair greasy or sticky. I did not find that to be the case in this conditioner. And overall it's easy to apply it. I like you have seen already, it is very thick and rich formula when it comes to the actual consistency of the product, but it spreads easily on wet hair, so I don't think that is a big issue at all. The downside is that although it gives softness to the hair, I find that it does weigh my hair down. Now I have really long hair, so that might be a problem which is very specific to my hair type and condition. But I hate products which weigh my hair down, because I feel that is one of the indication of a product buildup, which I have seen to be a problem with this brand. Hence I do not see myself continuing to use this product very often. I might use it once in a while to keep it in rotation, but I don't think this would be something I would reach out on a regular basis. The shiny effect or the seductive silky perfection that the product claims to give is not something that I have experienced. I did not see any sort of shininess or really the tangle free effect that you are expecting out of a conditioner, especially when they claim it to be effective for doing that, is not something I have seen with this conditioner, and that was really disappointing for me. Especially again when it comes to oil based conditioner, these are some of the minimal things that you would expect in a really good oil based conditioner. So I don't think this conditioner really performs to the full extent of claims that it says to do. And there are few plus sides that I have already mentioned, but there are also few downsides. Now who would probably benefit more from this conditioner is somebody who has, I would say, medium length hair, which is probably a little thick or a little bit on the thicker side, and little bit on the drier side. So I think that combination of hair, if you have then this can be really useful. If you're somebody who has really frizzy hair or curly hair, this conditioner can probably help you a lot as well. People who should clearly stay away from this conditioner is somebody who has fine straight hair. Definitely this is not a product for you. And if you have oily scalp or oily hair inherently, I don't think this conditioner is going to benefit you in a lot. So you might as well choose to skip on this. So that is my review of this conditioner. It does come in a collection of Argan Oil of Morocco. By the same brand, you have the Argan Oil of Morocco shampoo, and they also have a penetrating oil. I haven't tried the penetrating oil. I have did try the shampoo, and I did try the combination of shampoo and conditioner, but I don't think that made a lot of difference for me. My review would still have been the same for the conditioner. So overall, I think the conditioner is okay. It has very specific audience and use cases. So if you do fall in that category and are willing to give a try, or in the market for looking for a argan oil based conditioner, then you should probably give it a shot. But I would still suggest trying out other brands with the same combination of argan oil, and maybe that would work a little better for you. Thank you.